So anyways, apparently this is like daytime right now. It's noon and it's dark, as you can see in my apartment. It's getting dark. I just heard thunder. So might be a nice day for a walk. You may wonder why in these vlogs that there's a lot of weather and rain and shit. It's because I tend to vlog more when it's storming. It's not that we get rain every day or anything like that. It's just these vlogs, I tend to vlog when it's more weather. It's not like weather. So here I am. I want to go for a walk. I'm going to go to MCC, which I call the junk store. See what treasures I can find. I don't understand why there's so much traffic on this road because it's closed. See? It's hard to tell. That's closed. I don't know what's going on. It just dawned on me that there's lightning out. Here I am with an umbrella. This umbrella kind of looks silly, but it's actually quite really good to use because I can cover myself with it. I mean, look at that, it's like on my shoulder, and I can see. So it's kind of a nice umbrella to use. It's more functional than, I don't know, it looks silly. This goes all the way down really quickly. I guess it's hard to tell. I like this umbrella a lot. I think I'm trapped. Oh yeah.
How far you have to go?
Right there.
Oh, okay, well that's.
I think it's a bit flooded. Oh, my foot's wet. Shit. Out of the way. Look at that flooding. I'm kind of slightly trapped in the rain. Oh my god! This kid's picking up. Oh. Kind of love this. umbrella. Jeez Louise. Well, I probably wouldn't have went anywhere if I didn't have an umbrella. What's with the traffic? Jeez Louise. I mean, this is not even an open road. I don't understand. I do not understand. Where are they going? Oh, I can't cross that. That's gonna get really wet. Shit. Just, that sucks. I don't know what to do. How about take cover? And there's lightning. Figure it out. How about this for a home video, eh? My arm's getting tired. Switch hands. Well then. If I cross that right now, I didn't get my feet wet. More wet than I already am. I'm actually not that wet, just my left arm. So. See, I should have thought of that when I was over there. Let's see here. My back's getting wet. Cut this. I saw a flash. I immediately grabbed my camera and recorded. Hello there. Yes, I had the camera out. Sorry. When you vlog, you get weird looks sometimes. I'm gonna try and make it for the end of the road there, and hopefully there's a sidewalk with minimal water. Try to cross. So I don't have my water boots here. I don't have any water boots. Or rubber boots. Galoshes, whatever you call them. Well, that could work. That's really flooded. But, there we go. Got a bunch of micro cassettes for $1, a Beethoven tape recorder, hard copy cover of The Hobbit, The Hobbit, no money in there, sorry, and a copy of Fellowship of the Rings. I collect Lord of the Rings, token books I collect, so. But I'm not a crazy collector where I spend hundreds of dollars on a book, but still a collector. Well, it's picking up again! Alan! Good thing you're not shirtless. Yes, look at that! It's picking up again. Yeah. It wasn't like that an hour ago. Want to go for a walk?
Not really.
I don't either. I went out there for a while. And when I did leave, it wasn't that bad. So I got kind of stuck in it. But it was awesome. at the same time. That's kind of neat through the screen. We definitely need a new porch. Well, here I am again. Take two. But I'm caught. Yeah, anyhow. Going to the record store. Apparently there's some tapes there. Some Pink Floyd tapes. Whoa, big difference, eh? Oh yeah, that's what I said. Relax, it's just the air conditioner. Oh, and there's Alan. Alan! Alright. Alan! It's raining!
Yes.
Yes, it's raining. Steve! Another flash of lightning I missed. Oh.